Question: how do we at eCRO Pharma recruit top professionals for our clients smarter than your typical staffing agency? And finally, solve the growing problem of finding qualified resourcing in pharma. The answer? Using the power of online network connections and the rapidly evolving online gig economy. So what is network staffing and what is the gig economy? Well, network staffing is the process of sourcing talent using a professional network of fully vetted workers, all of whom have a commonality of knowledge and expertise within the same area of work. And the gig economy involves using the online workforce to perform temporary work, originally based on the act of completing specific projects or gigs. Remember, staffing should always be founded on two basic principles: finding the best people, but with budget in mind. This has led to many industries looking to alternative methods of resourcing and taking advantage of the endless possibilities provided to us with digital technology. At the end of the day, employers want to maintain a positive and productive workplace to keep their employees happy, not to mention secure the future of their organization. If an organization doesn't support its staff with adequate coverage, especially during those unforeseen circumstances, your full-time employees will seek greener pastures. Remember that it's a workers' employment market today where specialists are highly sought after. And somehow, recruiters and staffing organizations still can't seem to find qualified candidates for its clients' companies. Meet Max. He's a devoted employee at his company, but is starting to burn out with the workload. And now he's starting to question his career choices, asking himself, how did this happen? He doesn't seem very motivated or productive. And it's clear that his team is also overburdened and burnt out. As you can see, Paul and Lisa are struggling to keep up with the workload, and poor Herb over there may be at the end of his rope. As Max processes what his team is doing, he looks across the office to see that even this VP doesn't quite seem like herself. It's the summertime, and many of the team members are out of the office. The team is picking up the slack for Melissa and Ben, who are on maternity and paternity leave for the next 3 months. Derek is on his honeymoon and took vacation for the next 3 weeks. Oh yeah, and our best contributor, Jen, has recently resigned from her position to move to a company down the street. And Jay retired because he couldn't keep up with the unrealistic workload. So, pharma companies, the question is, what do you do to address this? There just aren't enough days on the calendar or resources at your disposal to successfully complete your many obligations. Welcome to eCRO Pharma, an online professional staffing and consulting network for pharma, biotech, and medical device companies. Our clients can take advantage of our quick and easy access to motivated pharma professionals. Our training services, which are offered as part of our premium package, allows your new hire to make an immediate impact on your team. Remember that the time and money lost having your internal staff train your new hire are typically in the tens of thousands of dollars, since you're paying both staff members, but neither are producing for you during those training periods. There's also access to our consultant partnerships. And most importantly, our web-based business model allows for a larger selection of professionals to be sourced, not to mention the increased likelihood of compatibility that can occur with your team, since with us, you'll have the ability to try before you buy in with your new staff member. And pharma professionals, I'm sure you felt like Max here several times. Sometimes feeling like your current work situation isn't a good fit. Maybe a change in scenery or a salary increase would be nice. Or maybe it's the workload that's gotten out of hand and you're not getting the resourcing support you deserve as a devoted employee. It could be that pharma opportunities around you just aren't as prevalent in your particular location. Maybe you should consider a new, more flexible opportunity, maybe based on your preferences and schedule. After all, researchers say 80% of employees would consider new opportunities if one came about. Pharma professionals, you should consider joining eCRO Pharma because, as a network professional, you can enjoy staying up to date with what's going on in your industry. You can enjoy easy access to new job opportunities and achieve increased visibility, marketability, and experience in your career. You can earn supplemental income with any project-based contract work and find the newest temporary or permanent job opportunities available. You can work when you want, since the temp or contract opportunities can be based on your personal preferences and schedule. And all members can enjoy our web-based model that allows you to work from home, which will save you time and money. Our network members can also improve upon their presence in the industry by taking advantage of our regular webinars, lunch and learns, and networking events. So consider a change in how you work. It's risk-free, and maybe you can avoid that painful, drama-filled drive into work. Or maybe it's a long, time-consuming bus or train ride in, filled with plenty of those interesting characters you find with public transit. And don't forget about that long commute home while getting all of life's other obligations accomplished. Why don't you use those hours devoted to commuting in a better way so you're able to be more productive and get more done? Using the eCRO Pharma network is great because it's simple, user-friendly, and risk-free. Simply log on to our website and register. Once confirmed as a member, just log into our client portal by going to our menu on the top right of our webpage. Then open a service request based on any of your immediate or future needs. That's it. You'll automatically receive a confirmation email notification, and we'll reach out to you shortly thereafter. eCRO Pharma does it all by satisfying both sides of pharma simultaneously, fulfilling industry needs with available, motivated professionals. So join eCRO today, and let's work smarter together.